my baby. Okay, babes. Good morning. It's 5:48, so I was gonna film a little get ready with me TikTok. So that's probably not gonna happen. I'll see you guys. Hello. Jeez. I'll see you guys when my makeup's done. Okay. Sorry. My makeup's all done. I don't know. Let's get dressed first. You know, you can never make it look the same twice. Here's my outfit. Very comfy, cozy. I'm gonna go get my stuff out from my bag and get out of here. Hey, I'll see you guys maybe at school, at work, I don't know, maybe after. Have a good day. Okay, I'm like hating my hair. Don't know what to do with it. I feel like I need maybe this will help. Just maybe. Gosh, ew. Hey babes, I literally just walked through the door. Almost thought about doing a cheesy moment, influencer walk through door, pretend like camera's not there moment. Dang, come here. But I didn't want to do that. I just can't bring myself to do that. Come here. Ugh. I always have to have my cuddle time with my baby. Gotta have cuddle times with my baby. Yes, sir. Maybe you don't want to be held just yet. Okay, I am home. It is 3:49. You know what I realized as I was sitting at home yesterday enjoying my snow day was, holy shit, me and Andrew missed a wedding venue tour that I scheduled and thought I rescheduled, but I didn't, so I feel like a piece of shit, and I was kind of thinking about not picking that venue anyway, so it kind of works out. Because I thought they provide someone to officiate the wedding and they don't. So I was like, oh, well then why would I go there? Anyways, had to get some scallop. Unfortunately, I did have to go to Target to get these items. Really frustrated. Got a Winter Wonderland Alani. Yum. I got some more of my carb balance for my lunches the rest of the week. This with some chicken tenders. Absolutely fire. It makes like the best little lunch. And then I had to get some more of my kombucha because as you guys saw from Vlogmas yesterday or the day before, because I think I uploaded my tattoo tour for day 3. But as you guys saw, I finished my kombucha, so I needed to get more. Speaking of tattoo tour, I actually haven't uploaded it yet because my view times on YouTube always tell me that my audience is mostly on YouTube from 3 to like 7 o'clock at night. So if I can wait for later in the day, because I know most of my audience are like people my age and then maybe teenagers, so I did not want to upload it just yet. And there was a couple finishing touches I needed to add to it, but other than that, like, she should be up and running. I'm going to go on a run today. I'm not gonna bullshit myself. I'm gonna go on a run because I don't want to go to the gym. The gym's been packed lately. I can tell it's like winter and people are feeling gross and wanting to be in the gym because the gyms have been packed no matter what effing time it's been. And that's been sucking ass lately. So I'm gonna go to the gym. No, wait, I'm not gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna go on a run because that's what I said I'm gonna do. And it's gonna be great. And it's really cold out and it's windy, but you know what? These are some of my best running months ever. Bean's gonna knock my camera over. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys when I'm ready for the gym. Okay, so I lied. It's almost 5 o'clock and I just got done like editing all the little pieces of the description on that video. Obviously, first priority was to get that video done. Bad thing is the sun's going down and I don't run when the sun's down because it scares the living shit out of me. So I'm gonna do some hard work on the stair stepper. I'm literally praying to everything holy that there's not a bunch of people down there. I'm hoping I'm the only person in there and I can get a good stair stepper day in. So I think what I'm gonna do is just throw on some of my Lulu shorts, a good hoodie or something, and I can get a good sweat in. So we're still going to the gym, we're still moving our bodies. That's the important part. Okay, got the potatoes in the oven. I'm making burger bowls tonight. They're like one of me and Andrew's like favorite things ever to make. Only instead of making it with ground beef, I'm gonna do it with like little meatball kind of things, but only the meatballs are gonna be seasoned to taste like burgers, not like actual meatballs. So I need to wash my face. Obviously you guys know the drill by now, and if you don't, you're gonna learn it. Gotta take my makeup off first and then wash my face before I get in the shower, because obviously I have my eyelash extensions on, so I'm gonna do the whole get up, and then I'm gonna get out of the shower, I'm gonna get comfy, and it's gonna be wonderful, and I'm gonna finish dinner. And I still have to, every day on the grind, upload the VLOGMAS films, so I'm probably gonna lay in bed and do that. To be honest, I think it's gonna be a late night. I can't go to bed until I get this film uploaded, but honestly it's kind of exciting, and it's what I committed to for VLOGMAS. So I'll see you guys after my shower.